You don't know I'm back with a new way. DJ turn up the speaker. DJ turn up the speaker.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Betty. You can also call me Eunice. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for passing by. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a very short haul video for you guys. I was contacted by this website called Rosewe. I'm going to leave it in the info section and also on the screen. They sent me an email to pick some outfit from their website, and they told me to pick just 2 outfits, but it was worth the try. So yes, I went to the website and I picked 2 outfits, and within 3 days they delivered the item. And the items are here, guys, so bear in mind this is going to be a very short video. So this is the package that I received in the mail, and also I already opened it, guys, because I was so anxious. So guys, they sent me 2 dresses. This is the nude dress and the blue one. I'm going to try it on for you guys to see. I remember picking a maxi dress which is blue, so I guess this one. And so the first outfit that I'm gonna show you guys is this blue dress. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys to see how the dress is actually looking on me. So yeah, all right guys, so I chose size small, but it so happened that they sent me medium. But the medium was pretty good, because if they had sent me the small size, it might not have fit me. So I think they did a good job by sending me the medium. And so yes, the cape was everything, and I really do love the dress. Overall, the material is pretty thick, and it's also stretchy. It's very stretchy as well, so that is a good thing, guys. The material is very thick and it's not see-through. When it comes to the length on this outfit, it was pretty good for me because I am very short. I'm 5'1", and it fit perfectly. I really do like how the length is on me, but I don't know if you are a tall person. I don't know how the length is gonna be. I think it's gonna be on the short side. So yes, I really do like how the length looks on me. The material is very thick, and also it has a zip at the back where you can open it. And so yeah, so guys, the last outfit that I'm gonna show you is this beautiful nude dress. This dress is very complicated. I didn't even know how to put on this dress, but at long last I figured it out. The dress is amazing and it looks pretty good on me. So this one was in the size small. They brought me the right size. So yes, and as you can see, this dress is looking glummy on me. I really do like it with my new body. If I say my new body, I mean when I gain weight, guys. I have gained weight. I really do like the dress quality. This one is a little bit transparent, but it's not bad. And I'm gonna leave the prices on this dress in the info section. I guess the dress was like $33 for each. And so yeah, I really do like it. This one is also very stretchy, and it was in the size small. It has a zip at the back, so it's very easy to put on. I really do like the length as well. The dress came with a belt, but I wasn't feeling the belt, so I didn't add a belt. I'll be adding my own belt if I want to add a belt. And I also wasn't wearing the right bra for this dress, but trust me, when it's time for me to rock this dress, I'm gonna wear the right bra. But because I was breastfeeding, I didn't want to change the bra. So yeah, the dress is beautiful. I really do like the I really do love the color on me, and I really do love the dress, the quality and everything. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. Stay blessed. Bye.